Hello, this is Marilyn from Marilyn's on 5th Avenue South in Naples, Florida. And I just wanted to tell you this is the video I've been promising to everybody over the last couple of months. Before we get into what it is, I first of all want to get you in the mood for it. I want you to take a vision of this and put it in your memory. And then I want you to take this vision, pardon me, and I want you to put this in your memory. And then I want you to come with me to an adventure to get to my new store. Obviously, they did not get the memo on the noise levels, but we're going to try and walk through this. Anyway, I want to get you started into the new direction. We actually are walking to the new store. When we get up here, I'll tell you how many steps it is, so that you'll know exactly how many steps it's going to take to the store. I want to make a comment about these new signs. I had to go online to find out how to use them and everything. They seem to be a little more complex than what I'm used to. And I just want you to see where we are here. We're on 5th Avenue South, and this is 9th Street. Very, very busy. Right here, it's 993 steps. Okay, guys, you go this way, you continue on 5th Avenue South. Now, we've sort of fast forward here, and we're going to do another 533 steps. You can see where we are here. This is where that new hotel is. Don't want you to miss these landmarks. I don't want you to get lost. Here's another one here. Now, the important things about this stop is that this is Goodlette-Frank Road. So you're going to have to make a left-hand turn here. And so that you remember, that's right here. This is Tin City. So Tin City, we're going to go across the street safely. Here's another one of those interesting walk signs. I mean, I'm a simple person. This is what we used to have, but I'm going to press this button. In view of safety, if you don't mind, we're not walking across the street. But remember, it's 533 steps to get to here from the 5th Avenue sign. It's Marilyn again, and we fast forwarded here, and we find ourselves at Naples, beautiful Naples Square. This is 323 steps from Tin City, and if we continue to walk down this way, which we are going to attempt to cross the street in safety, quickly. I know this doesn't tell us to go, but I insist that you make sure you're crossing with the right signal. One of the things I really noticed when I walked through this for the first time was how pretty they're making this path. And this is going to be a really nice run for those of you in Naples Square. I happen to remember a total steps from here to my store will be 3,360 some, and it'll be a little different because you may have a bigger stride than I did. I think we're all excited about the new Playhouse. We took a photo shoot there. You can see a lot of that on Instagram and Facebook, and you can also see our ads in Gulfshore Life. We did some beautiful ones. And this is the Playhouse. And when you look at this, you're 241 steps from Naples Square. And that's a nice little walk. We're going to continue. And as you can see, we're coming up to Baker Park on the right here. We're going north, and Baker Park is on the east. So we're going to have to cross the street safely. We're arriving at Central Avenue, and here is Baker Park. Once we leave there from the Playhouse to here and we cross the street, we'll be 166 steps. We are crossing the street safely. From here, it's 990 steps to the store. This is exciting. In review, here's the park. 997 steps to the store. Probably some of you who have lived here longer know more what's on this strip than I do. Fast forward, and here we are so close to the store, but I do want to point out some landmarks here. People had asked me when I was talking about the directions to the store. We have a 7-Eleven here, which is very close to the store. That brown building, they told me, is considered French Corner, but that seems to be the people who've been here a really long time. So I'm not sure you would know that as much with a landmark. But this is 600 and this is Empire Plaza. I am not in this plaza, but I do want to point it out. We're going to walk through here so you can see this, so that when you see this, you better have your right clicker on your car, okay? So let's walk through and let's get to the store, which is 997 steps from Baker Park. Okay, I don't want you to forget that. This is the green and white strip mall. It's right before you're going to make the right-hand turn. This just got written up. This with other restaurants in Naples. This is a Rooster, a breakfast and lunch place. So this is a good landmark. And as you can see, it ends here. Now, I don't want you to get scared, okay? I got the keys today, all right? So I don't want you to be scared. We're gonna walk here. All right, this is the new store. So you see all this parking? And we have more in back. We have another 11 in back, okay? This is our store. We're gonna be 650. It's split. And this is gonna be us, okay? And I want you to visualize this. There's gonna be a beautiful Marilyn sign above there. It's going to be the same one from the old store, and that should be on this building by the end of April, because they're already getting the permits and they're already getting ready to do that, to take it down from Fifth Avenue to bring it here. And my vision I'm going to share with you is we have two gorgeous planters, terracotta planters that are going to come up this high, and I'd like a little tree with a small trellis in the back. And if you can visualize that for right now, that's really going to be great. So I want you to trust me. And it definitely was a warehouse space at one time. We have some really cool ideas, which we'll share with you why we're doing through the renovation until our final reopening on October 1st. So if you can remember these dates, it's great. We're going to be closing on Fifth Avenue on May 31st. We will be continuing online and the videos and showing you everything we're going through. And we're going to be bright-eyed and bushy-tailed on October 1st. And I don't want you to forget. So it's going to be a whole different type of store. I'm so excited. I'm excited, and I hope you will be just as excited as I am. And hopefully you will follow me on this journey. Thank you for taking this walk for me and taking the patience. And if you've gotten this far on the video, I really appreciate that. Anyway, thank you.